tea in a lens cup. Can't get better, right? Hello everyone, my name is Sujin and welcome back to my channel. And in this video, we are going to talk about my parents. Yes, a movie about my dad and mom. You may ask why? Let me explain. This is my dad Raghunathan. To sum him up in one sentence, he is one of the most humble, friendliest and supportive person ever in my life. He doesn't show off his emotions very much, and to be honest, I feel very anxious whenever I talk to him. Next up, obviously, is my mom. Her name is Archana, an absolute master chef. She spends most of her time in the kitchen. She's very special and supportive towards whatever I do. Both of them together, their combination is like a magnet. Two extreme different characters. But as basics physics, opposites attract and so do they. This August 21st, they are celebrating their 25th wedding anniversary. Yes, 25 freaking years together. Let's rewind a bit now. August 21st, 1995. The day when they get married. Wow, look at these photos. Look how young and cute they are as a couple. Fast forward 4 years, I was born. Haha, this is me, small Suju. Now I am 21 years old, just returned back from Lithuania under home quarantine for the next 14 days. I can't go out of my house, I can't take them anywhere. But as their son, I wanted their 25th wedding anniversary to be special. So when I was thinking about what to surprise for them, me being me, I planned them 2 videos now for them. First video, plan is to come up with a list of people, meaning their friends, family members and their work colleagues, and then send them a message telling them to record a 15 to 30 second clip of them wishing my parents, and then putting those videos together as a video compilation, then get their reaction, which I will use for the second video, which is this I am making, which will include the whole behind the scenes of how both of the surprises came together. And this will also include a surprise from my close family members where we will meet and physically surprise them with the cake. And to do that, I have a perfect crime partner. Yo, Ree, what's up?
Hi.
Hello, what's up? What are you doing?
So,
Good. Okay, so I need your help for my parents' wedding anniversary. We need to plan something. So, what's the plan?
okay. On 21st evening,
Hey, Sindhuka, you are in the video. Hello. Okay, so after a 20-minute kind of in-depth chat, we kind of got our plan figured out. So the next step is to try to get the contacts transferred to my phone. I have to get my mom's phone now. So see you. I just got my mom's phone, so right now I'm going to transfer all the contacts from the phone to my phone so that I can send them the messages without her knowing. She's actually cooking downstairs, as I said. So I just sent all the contacts to my phone right now. I've also written a message script that I phased out to be in a way that it will be more professional and everybody who reads that can understand and record that clip for me, so that should be fine. So I'm just gonna now send that message out to everyone and then probably wait for their video messages back. Okay, so welcome back. Today is August 20th and tonight at 12 am is actually the big day where I'm planning to surprise them with the first video. So currently I've received most of the videos back from the people I really wanted, so I'm now putting them together. So it's coming out really good. I'm just waiting for a few more people's video, so once they send those in, I might finish the edit and be ready with the first video. Okay, so it's actually 11:55 and my parents are asleep and I guess you can hear me, so I'm just gonna quickly set the room up with the projector and my pen drive. This is where I have the actual video file, so I'm gonna actually put this on my video driver and then gonna just make sure everything is ready and then I'm gonna wake them both up. So see you in a second. Okay, so everything seems to be ready and it seems to be working fine for now. So I just started the video. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait for 1 more minute and then I'm gonna wake them both up. So wish me luck. happy 25th wedding day.
Oh,
thank you.
Happy 25th wedding.
thank you, thank you.
Camera பாருங்க. ரெக்கார்ட் ஆயிட்டு இருக்குது.
அப்படியா?
அவங்களுக்காக வச்சுட்டு இதை பண்ணிருக்கோம். ஹலோ அப்பா அம்மா, ஹாப்பி 25th wedding anniversary. Moments like these are hard to create. Several of these moments, experiences, and lessons create memories. And memories are the ones that are priceless and have to be treasured. This is one of those memories that will be looked back to, and this movie will ensemble it. Appa and Amma will love you now and forever. Happy 25th wedding anniversary again.